Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Blackview Color 8. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on your search bar and type in Edge and click search. And now click install. And here you can click skip introduction, and now you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. And now you can make this browser your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And here you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. Now you can try out Copilot, or you can just click start browsing. And now your browser is installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.